Yesterday we were ice fishing. Today it's 39, first day above freezing in like a week. We're gonna go check out the waterfall. It's been frozen for like a week solid. It's gonna be awesome.
We're gonna break all the ice up with Molly the monster, also known as our mom. What? Look at this! Let it stick! Crush it! Silas, did you just see that? Woo!
Trying to figure out what's causing all these lines. Stay back, guys. Look at all these lines coming from right in here. It definitely looks pretty scary. Yeah, look, it's like all these straight lines. Let's go around and look down at it.
We're gonna climb back up.
Yeah, we can crouch right here.
Ooh, slippery. Kind of fun though.
Wow. Well, the waterfall's still frozen. We're going to take a closer look, but we got to stay back because it's scary down there.
Look at this tent I made. It's like 2 layers of ice.
Yeah. Wow.
Look, nice. Oh, there's ground way down there.
We could drown you.
We have ice pits, Dad.
Woo. I can feel the ice shaking.
Ice pit.
Careful, guys. That's too steep over there. Let's cross over right here.
I'll slip right into the tree.
That's why we're going to walk on this. Let's cross right here where it's flat. Come on.
Right here is really slick. Under the layer. Whoa. No.
I'd love to go bust some of those, but that looks too dangerous. Let's start falling on our head. We're going to have problems.
Can I just start a hammer?
Let's go over here and take a look.
Because,
Ooh. I don't know if we can go that way.
yeah. Oh, this is probably the best one.
Ah.
That's a big. I need help.
Oh my. That's so solid.
Yeah, that's all. What?
Way too solid. Careful, you got a bunch of icicles right above you, Jonah. Careful. Okay, stop pounding, everybody. This is dangerous. I think we're going to give it some distance. Hope you enjoyed the show.